Hey. Welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing on this day of the month? I am kinda good, kinda fresh.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me.
It's 2 days after Valentine's Day, and guess who is single? Me. Guess who didn't have any fun or get to enjoy the holidays? Me. So, guess who's going to complain about it?
Me.
So, I am going to be offending every single one of you, hopefully.
You have a good scandal.
So, anyways, today I'm going to be stating my reasons why if you're in a relationship, I hate you. And that's the tea. And I'm also going to be complaining about
Being single.
So, let's get into it. Wait. I'm also going to be doing a Valentine's Day look.
Valentine's.
I don't even like the holiday, but let's be festive, you know, like let's just do it for no reason, because I'm going to take it off right after the video. So I tried to do this video yesterday, but there was some altercation. Wow, I didn't know I was a genius. There was an issue, and I tried to do it. Let me just show you.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Yeah, pretty scary if you ask me. It was an issue. Yeah. So I'm going to retry that look, but try it better. I'm gonna try to do it better. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera because I feel like it. Brow game. I mean, I do that. Come on. Yeah! Come on, let's be honest. They are really nice, like, look at it. Oh, I've come so far, and I'm proud of myself. But anyways, I'm gonna use tape because I just want to be safe and try this look again. And if it comes out bad,
That's a big shit.
So, the tape is in my eyes. Kinda dying right now. I'm gonna take my Morphe X James and just get into this
Shadow.
Here's the tea. I've never been in a relationship. I know, it's not really shocking, like, I'm not surprised. I'm sure no one is. But it's just like, I'm annoyed. I'm tired of being single. But being single is not that bad. It has its perk. But sometimes you get a little lonely, you know? Like a little sister sad that no one is under me or that I'm not under anyone. You get what I'm saying? So, I'm already lonely. 365 throughout the entire year. 365 throughout the entire year. 365.
Bemmy. Mwah.
Okay, so I've always been single my entire life. So of course Valentine's Day comes up. And we all know what it's about. It's about people that are in relationships, they get to finally show it off. They do a lot of PSA and all of that good jazz. So of course I'm gonna feel a little lonely and sad because I can't celebrate it. I mean, you know, it's not like that I want to, but it would be nice if I could. No one likes me.
I'm very ugly.
As we all can see. I mean, I know, I'm not surprised that I was alone. I've always been ugly my entire life. It's something that I can't change. It's something that I can't fix. I can't help it. So date me, please.
I will hate you.
I don't have that much money because according to Social Blade, I only make $9 a year. So to all of you relationshipies, you're probably gonna take offense, but I don't care. I don't like some of you. And here's why. I just feel like, you know, frick you and heck with you. Because no, it's not fair. I don't see how you're in a relationship. How did you do it? And how are you still together? Like, why have you guys not broken up yet? What do I have to do to break you guys up? Because it's not fair. Oh, this is
disgusting.
kind of scary. Okay, this is like so garbage, and I'm literally so... Facetune. I'm gonna have to Facetune it because it's so terrible, and I am so irritated with using the color red and pink. Like, they don't go together. They're so ugly together, and I don't like it. Back to the back to the topic. Some people in relationships always feel the need to show it off and let people know they're in a relationship. Like, this is my boyfriend.
Okay, love you so much. Like,
Oh my god, you're my boyfriend. You're my boyfriend. Like, mwah. Mwah.
you're my boyfriend. I love you so much.
Oh my god.
MCM.
You're my MCM. You're my man crush Monday. Like,
Oh my god, I love you so much. Oh my god, make me a WCW.
let me get on your page. What's your password?
His #1 bed forever. His wife is on his page. Like,
Story. Mwah.
his girlfriend's on his page.
If you think you like him, if you think he's cute,
Get off his page. Get off his page. Because I'm his girlfriend.
I feel like some people are like that, and it's so
Annoying.
And if you do that, I'm coming for you. Be offended. Like the people that do it daily and constantly, girl, we get it. Do you want like a gold medal or something? Like, what do you want? I wanted just to do like a wing liner, but this looks very terrible, so I'm just gonna do a cut crease like I always do. And I keep doing cut creases because I have no talent. The PSA. It gets out of control sometimes. If I'm just trying to go to second period,
Or lunch.
and I'm minding my own business, and I see like two people like all up in each other's mouths, I'm gonna be like, what are you doing? I don't know, it's very scary, and it just makes me feel unsafe, and I'm gonna call the cops. You may not feel the same, but this is how I feel. I'm gonna say how I feel because I feel like I should say how I feel because I feel like that. Did you guys notice the new angle? Like, that door, I'm not painting it anytime soon. So to solve that issue, I turned my camera. Frankenstein. Next thing on the list of why I am attacking you for no reason if you're in a relationship. Well, I've seen only pretty people get in relationships. And I'm like, if that's the case, there's no hope for me. Who's attracted to this? Who wants a piece of this? Who wants a slice? No one at my school. So I'm just like, yeah, cool. I get it. Like, my standards are incredibly high, so that's my issue. I think everyone at my school is kind of ugly, but I'm kind of ugly. But I still don't want to, yeah, I'm not dating them, they're ugly. I mean, they don't even ask me out anyways, and if they did, I would be like,
You're ugly. No.
I can't get the cap off. I got the cap off. I kind of freaked up, like, in this area, but I'm gonna try to finesse it. I tried. I never use glitter, so it could be way worse, but I'm gonna just stay back so you can't really see it. So this eye is like kind of all completed. Like, I'm gonna just do the other eye off camera, so wish me luck. I'll be right back. And that's the completed Valentine's Day look. I applied these Barbie Dream lashes by Minky Beauty. They're really pretty and they're really cute and they're really like soft. It's a really comfortable lash for like a 25mm lash. Like, it's very comfortable.
But this is a really good quality lash, if you ask me.
This is the Valentine's Day glam. I honestly, don't at me, but the picture I showed, I was gonna try to recreate that look, but I can't do it. And I accepted the fact that I can't do it. So I just did a glitter cut crease. So, you're in a relationship, you're lucky, but I mean, us singles are killing it, we are thriving, and we're doing what we do. We don't need no man or woman to accompany us. We're strong. So if you're in a relationship, I don't like you, and that's on that. Hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day glam. And that's really it. This look is boring, but these lashes are everything. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I love you skinnies the most. You guys are iconic. You guys are geniuses. Your brain, you guys are killing it. And I love you all the most. I'm at like 591 subscribers right now. And I'm like, 500 people care about me. You can follow me at josheir isaih on Instagram. Why wouldn't you want to see, like, I put so much work into my Instagram. You need to get into the gig. You need to follow it. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put a link in my bio. I'm making it so easy. I need followers. It's a form of validation. Please help me. I'm very insecure, if you could not tell. You can also follow me on my Snapchat is josheir isaih. Wait, everything's the same. Like, all of my social medias, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat is josheir isaih. You can follow my Twitter and Snapchat if you want to, but I'm not forcing you. But I am forcing you to follow my Instagram, because you should follow my Instagram, because you could DM me and we could chat like, girl, I'm nice. So I'm really happy that I hit 500 subs, and I'm going up to 600 pretty soon, so I can't wait. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. Click that bell icon to turn on my post notifications so you won't miss the upload from me, because I don't have an upload schedule. So yeah, love you skinnies the most, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.